Many years ago, ironing boards were a funny shape. They were basically, this is actually funny, a wooden rectangle block. Hi guys, I'm Rhea. Welcome back to another episode of Kids Black History. Guys, look at this ironing board. Any ideas who created this design? Well, an African-American woman called Sarah Boone improved the design of the original ironing board. And now we have ironing boards that look like this. Let's find out more, guys. But first, make sure you smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. Welcome to the KidsBlackHistory. Family. When you look at the ironing board, I bet you never thought who invented it. Many years ago, ironing boards were a funny shape. They were basically, this is actually funny, a wooden rectangle block. Back in 1858, look at the ironing boards back in the day. And look at the ironing boards now. The ironing boards are way different to the big rectangle block. And this is until a black woman called Sarah Boone decided to improve this rectangle block design. Boone was born in North Carolina in 1832. Boone was the dressmaker who spent her days making beautiful dresses for her customers to wear. This meant Boone needed to iron the dresses she was making. Until now, many dressmakers use a wooden plank between two chairs to iron. I mean, who uses that? I mean, it's kind of good, but still, if you just have chairs lying around, I know it's smart, but still, a wooden plank, it could get like splinters in the dress, but no one wants that. But this is amazing how Sarah Boone created this ironing board, because who just uses two chairs and a wooden flat plank? What if it has splinters in it? You don't know. Anyways, that didn't even work for dresses who had a lot of detail and tight material. So this is why Sarah Boone came into this life and made this ironing board. Boone created a board that was narrow and curved. This way you can iron the dresses without getting them wrinkled like scrunched up. She also added padding to the boards so you couldn't see prints of the wooden board. Because you know how wooden is a bit not that strong, and you know how wooden gets wet in the rain. That's why she padded it so then the ironing steam doesn't put away steam away the wood. Guys, to top it off, the ironing board is able to collapse like now, like the ironing boards like we have now. You know how you have the ironing board set up? You know how you fold the legs? That's what I mean. On April the 26th, 1892, Sarah Boone was awarded a patent for her amazing design ironing board. Patents are given when you create something new and original and so amazing that everyone thinks it stands out into the world. How cool is that, guys? Imagine you created something new, it could be whatever, and then you got what Sarah Boone got. Then you'll be like, wow, my design is so good. Then keep up the good work so everyone can be amazing, wow. I should be doing kind of this stuff because this is amazing. Oh, this is amazing what you've done. I wish they'll be I wish I came up with this idea. Thanks for Sarah Boone for creating this amazing ironing board so then our clothes cannot get wrinkly anymore. Because if my clothes are wrinkly, then I'll be like, girl, your clothes are wrinkly. I'm not talking to you. Guys, you should say a prayer to say, thank you, Sarah Boone, for creating this amazing ironing board. That's what you should say. Because she was amazing who created this thing. Like, if we didn't have this, I don't know what. Like, this is like a true into our life thing. If we didn't have this in our life, I don't know what would happen to our clothes. Anyways, make sure to smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. And don't forget to check out all our other episodes on KidsBlackHistory. And don't forget to check out Ray of Fun Play. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace. I love you, fam. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, peace, guys. Say goodbye now. Hey, oh, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey.